What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin, head designer here at Auto Design, and today we're going to be installing the NIA splitter on this brand new Lexus RC. Stay tuned. So first thing, let's talk a little bit about the NIA splitter. One is made out of ABS plastic, so it's nice, strong, and durable. Two is available color matched in any color of the car. In this case, we have it in ultra white, and we also have it in gloss black, matte black, satin black, or even F-Sport gray, which is the color of your grill. Three, we designed it with the vehicle in mind. We used every single factory bolt that we can use, and we also incorporated the nice little lip design in the center, so the splitter can bolt right on. And finally, we make it easy for you by pre-drilling all the holes and supplying you with all the hardware. With the purchase of the NIA splitter, you're going to receive all your support screws. For this installation, you're going to need a 10mm socket, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for a quick and easy installation. Alright, so first things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the car to remove any rock or any debris that you might have stuck underneath. Alright guys, if your car is lowered and you're going to jack up the car, always use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're going to use an angle driver, so we're just going to creep up underneath. Now that the car is nice and clean, we're going to remove all the factory bolts that align to these holes right here. This is when you get your 10mm socket and start removing them. Alright, so let's turn this into a family affair. Grab a friend or family member to help you align the splitter on the bumper. What you're going to do is, you see that center clip right here? It mounts right on top, just like so. And now using the same factory bolts that we just removed, use them to secure the splitter to the bumper. Now that the factory bolts are aligned, this is when you get the support screws, and we're going to drill them right through all your pre-drilled holes. So make sure when we're installing the support screws to only drill them halfway with the drill. That way you avoid from over tightening and stripping the plastic bumper. Alright, now that the support screws are in halfway, this is when you get the 10mm, and we're going to tighten up all your factory bolts. Now that the factory bolts are nice and secure, this is when we're going to hand tighten all the support screws. By hand tightening, you prevent from over tightening and stripping the bumper. So once all the screws are tight, you are good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the new Lexus RC. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks again.